Hi, I'm Dr. Destructo, and many people have problems trying to figure out the code when you've got the combination lost. Now, I've tried 3 or 4 ways that I've seen on YouTube to do this, and the first thing is that you set it at 0, 0, 0, and then the code number is 5 to open it. Okay? Now, I will ask my assistant for my tool. That's the tool, assistant. And what we do is, sports fans, is we adjust the tool a little bit so we got a good clamp on it. What's it right about there? And make sure that you get enough loop in it so you can get your, and get away from the door too, by the way, so you can get your knee resting on it and maybe hold this, okay? Now, this is the best way of doing it. Okay, folks? No hassle, no problem. You just cut her off.